My name is Jessica Hope, and I joined Genius IT Brainery this past 3 months, and I learned InfoCom level 1. So I would like to share my experience. It was a very good experience. I learned a lot, and this can actually help me in the future. Examples of the use of IT. As you can see, my images. The students, like this student over here, he's smiling because he's looking at something very nice on the phone. This one is busy looking at something on the phone. You see, the IT can bring the students to attention to some things on the lesson. But we also have some bad use of them. If the teacher is not paying attention to the students, they can go on and go to some places like that's not going to be okay. And I would like to make the people that taught me here happy and proud of me, and also the person that brought me here. So I will encourage you all to come and join Genius IT Brainery. So and at the end you will never regret, like how I am not regretting.
Lecturing method. The students, they are just there watching you. But when you bring something like interactive, you assign role to them that you to do this, do that. It's more engaging to them than just sitting and listening like what you are doing now. I didn't assign any role to it, so you are just looking at me.
You can call me Thelma MFA Guama. I got to know about Genius IT through a friend. Hi Angela, thank you for introducing me to Genius IT. So I joined 3 months ago, and I joined InfoCom level 1, and I can say I'm much better with computer because I always love being playing with computer, doing my things with computer. I can remember when I was doing my national service, I used to help the IT guy with student portal. So now I'm kind of better than what I was first. And when my friends are with me using their laptop and I try to show my skills, that use this shortcut, they'll be like, this small computer class you are doing, you are showing us level. I'm so proud. So I'll encourage everyone to visit them or do your short courses with Genius IT. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Eugene Delade, and then I'm a student of University of Ghana, and I'm enrolled as Genius IT in October. And then I just finished my program. It has been a very great experience. I've learned lots of things: Excel, Microsoft Word, PowerPoint presentation, and then I would urge everyone to come here and study. It will be a very great experience.
Hi lovelies, my name is Precious Na Ayele Kwachiko. I got admission in Genius IT, so that was last 2 months, October, and here I am finishing my course, just 3 months, and I can do a lot using my PC, a lot in IT that I have learned here. So I will encourage each and everyone to come and study here in Genius IT.
And I believe you know some examples of educational apps and games, right? You don't know? Yes, please give us one. Oh, this is. Yes, I am Godwin Gaga. Yeah, over the last 3 months, I got admission, or I was enrolled in Genius IT, where I've learned a lot about computer, starting from computer basics to PowerPoint. And so, before my enrollment, I don't know much about computer, but with the little experience I had with Genius IT, now I can boldly say that I can also manipulate computer. I can work with Excel, work with PowerPoint, and then Microsoft Word. And so if you are listening to me right now, please enroll your word or yourself in Genius IT. Genius IT is the best. Thank you, Genius IT. Thank you, CEO of Genius IT.